To increase the image quality of, say, a pixelated photo or even an AI-generated image, we can use the Super Resolution tool in Affinity. So to access this, we're going to go to the Canva AI Studio. Now this feature is behind a Canva Pro subscription, so unfortunately you will need that to access this feature. And the way we use this, if we first of all select the image, that'll be a good start, Dan, and then we can zoom in nice and close and get a good look at this in action. And then we're going to go and choose the Super Resolution tool. Give it a click, and Affinity is going to do its thing. And then we have this lovely before and after preview slider. Honestly, I love these, and you can drag it backwards and forwards. So you can see we've gone from pixelated to not pixelated. Now it isn't perfect, but it's done a pretty decent job on the face and the eyes, and some of the teeth look a little bit funky. But the great thing about this feature is we can now grab the slider here, and as we adjust this, we can see that preview change in real time. Now you can crank it up into the 380% region if you want. Let's get one final look at it. If I can grab the thing, there we go. And we'll zoom back out. And that's pretty good. Not perfect, but it's a damn sight better than that pixelated mess we started with. And then just click apply. And let's make sure we're not in pixel preview. Yeah, there we go. Crispy.